Okay. Monday, February 27th, 2023, 4:07 p.m. We just got put under a tornado watch. It has not registered with my weather radio yet, though. That's weird. It's been like 2 minutes, and it usually registers within 30 seconds. And I know I saved the right county, so... This is like super unusual weather for February. Here's our location. I know it's blurry, but whatever. This old phone is gonna blur as much as possible. I use this for a lot of things. Yes, I know, there's a tornado watch for my location. Already got it 5 times already. Tornado watch. Tornado watch from my location from Storm Team 12. I don't have that up on this phone. Why is it not showing up on there? That's weird. Take a look here. Oh, Chillicothe's under a tornado warning. There it is.
Issued at 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 48, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following county, Greena, Kentucky, and the following counties in Ohio, Gallia and Lawrence. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Huh.
The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southwestern Ohio. Please report previous tornadoes, wind damage, or hail to the National Weather Service by going to our website at weather.gov/film and submitting your report via social media.
Okay. I'm going to charge this weather radio because this is a weather radio, a flashlight, and believe it or not, a speaker for your phone at the same time. That is so weird.